Grant Garcia, one of the sports shoulder surgeons here. Today we're going to do a video testimonial. This is a interesting patient. He's extremely active, former football player, kind of had two really beat up shoulders, and had pretty significant labral tears, as well as biceps issues. And so I see a lot of this, especially in patients that are high level CrossFitters in their mid 40s. And we talked about some of these newer techniques, which are these anchors that have basically no plastic in them. They're all suture, they're really minimally and low profile. And we've been seeing pretty impressive results, about at least 1 to 2 months faster than sort of the average repair we used to do. And you can see on his shoulders, he's done very well. He was so happy with the right one that, really begged me at 6 months to do the other side. And we acquiesced, and he's done amazing. And he's almost 4 months out now on the other side and doing very well. So enjoy the video testimonial.
Both of my shoulders done by Dr. Garcia. My first shoulder was done last year in December. It was my right shoulder. It was a labral repair and bicep tenodesis. And then I just had my second one done in September, so I'm 4 months out. Had, again, the labral repair and the bicep tenodesis. A little bit about me and the background of how I decided to get to surgery. Played college football, I've done CrossFit, and then just been active my whole life. What happened with the first one, I fell down the steps catching my dog in a position like this, felt the pop. Came in, I did not have much mobility and lost a lot of strength. So doctor came in and cleaned up that right shoulder. It was a lot faster than I thought it was going to be, the process. Noticed right away that there was a big difference with my right shoulder versus my left shoulder. Left shoulder was a sustained injury, which I've had probably since playing college football and separated. Came into September because my right one was so good. And now I'm 4 months out and feel better than ever. Yeah, recovery. As I was going through the recovery, first recovery, it was just having my arm in the sling. But what I realized really quickly, started PT probably 4 weeks after, just slowly moving my arm around, got the mobility back pretty quick. And then the strength is probably going through this process just because of the bicep and the shoulder took a little bit longer. But pretty much can do everything that I wanted to do. Again, like I said, 4 months out on this left shoulder. Feeling really good right now, and last bit of strength is what I'm working on right now. I've always heard a lot of scary things about as you're coming in to get surgery, especially when it comes in from an orthopedic perspective, saying that, hey, you probably won't be as strong or have the same mobility, so you'll lose something through these surgeries. What I've noticed now is my mobility is back better than ever, actually better than I actually can remember back probably to high school, to be honest with you, when it comes to from a mobility standpoint. And then just the stability of putting weights over my head, specifically with the Olympic lifts. They feel nice and firm when I was trying to catch things specifically in the jerk position or a snatch position. I would definitely recommend the surgery. Try to just kind of rehab it with just physical therapy. I could only get so far, and I think this gave me that extra 10% that I was looking for.